What's up, Boogey Lights fans? Taylor here. Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at this 2017 Jeep Rubicon Recon Edition. And you may recognize this Jeep from an earlier video this week. On Monday, our friend Crystal brought it in to have the rock lights put in, just the wheel wells. And she loved it so much that she decided to bring it back on Friday today to have the grille and the rock sliders done as well. As you can see, this is all a single color red. With a simple on and off switch. She just has a little keychain that she can attach to her keychain, off and back on. It's as simple as that. Pretty cool. In the wheel well, she's got 3-foot sections of LEDs for the front ones, 4-foot sections for the rear ones, and then she's got a 6-foot strip of LEDs there along the rock sliders. And it's way up underneath in there. That way it has the maximum protection. You can see it kind of tucked away back in there. That way, if she were to hit grounded or go off-roading or anything like that, you don't have to worry about those lights getting damaged. We use our heavy-duty strips in the rear wheel wells because they will be taking a lot of road debris and rocks and stuff. And then we use our low-profile strips in the front up here because they're a little more protected. For the grille, she's got two 2-foot sections of LEDs. One of them is attached to the actual frame of the radiator, and then the other one's attached to the grille itself. So we had to make sure that when you pull the grille off, you put a quick disconnect on that light strip so you can still get that grille on and off without damaging the lights. She's got this really cool American flag insert up here, which gave us a little bit of trouble trying to get that lighting just right. So we had to notch out a few areas, move some wires around. So if that's something that you're interested in doing at home, it may take a little bit longer to make sure that that lighting is in front of that insert and not behind it, but certainly doable. And then for the controller, she's using our Plus Series single color on and off controller, which is rated for 300 LEDs. She's pushing about 600 LEDs on this alone. So what we did is we actually gave her a relay, a 40 amp relay is what we put in. That way the controller can actually handle more LEDs. You can see it mounted up here in the corner. It's kind of tucked away there. Our relay is mounted right there, right next to all the other relays that you'll see in cars. And then there's the controller module with all of our connections. She's got her fuses right there where she can easily access them if she ever needs to. If she ever gets water in there or anything shorts out, she can replace that fuse really easily. And everything that you see here was done in-house in Florence, Kentucky at Boogey Lights. Give us a call and get lit up today.